What's going on, guys? Today I want to show you a free app from the Google Play Store called Atom. Now, with this app, you can watch any movie that's in the movie theater for free. Only thing you have to do is put in like a prepaid card, and it won't take 1 cent from that card. Now, you can pick any movie that's from the movie theaters and watch it for free. Now, I haven't tried this out yet because I'm waiting for Suicide Squad to come out. I'm definitely going to watch that movie. But my good friend at Total Tech put his viewers on about this app, and I just had to let my viewers know about this app. So I'm going to leave a link to his video to his channel so you guys can check him out. He makes great videos. Now, let me know if you guys have tried this app, if you guys are going to try this app, and I don't think this is a scam. He said it's not a scam, so I'm going to try it out, and I'm going to let you know in the next video that if it works or not. So you guys enjoy your free movie, because I'm definitely going to enjoy Suicide Squad when it comes out. And maybe I can watch another free movie. I don't know, but I'll try it out. So you guys leave your thoughts and comments down below, and let me know what you think about this app, because I'm definitely going to use this app, and I'm going to tell all my friends about this one so we can go to the movies and watch some free stuff. I just wish the popcorn and stuff for free, because that's kind of expensive. You got to make life choices buying popcorn and soda. So yeah, that's the movie I want to see for free, Suicide Squad. So yeah, guys, just let me know if you're gonna watch this movie or watch any other movies, and hit me up in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.